In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Elixir Group was established as a name in 2009, which is consisted of more than 20 companies. And from those companies, some of them have 50-year-long history of operation with some of the world's leading brands was merged into Elixir Group. The Elixir Group has a long experience of offering a diverse portfolio of services and products in different key business sectors like FMCG, agriculture, automobile, construction, commercial, investment and real estate. Now going to continue its operation under the banner of Elixir Group. Vision. Our vision is doing an interest-free business in Islamic way all over the world wherever we exist under the strict guidance and supervision of Sharia compliance. Mission. We will provide credible and reliable products and services of supreme quality and value that improves the life of the consumers around the globe, now and for generations to come. Our integrity. We always try to do the right thing. We are honest and straightforward with each other. We operate within the letter and spirit of the law. We uphold the values and principles of Elixir Group in every action and decision. Our trust. We respect our Elixir Group's colleagues, customers and consumers and treat them as we want to be treated. We have confidence in each other's capabilities and intentions. We value personal mastery. We believe it is the responsibility of all individuals to continually develop themselves and others. We encourage and expect outstanding technical mastery and executioner excellence. Elixir Group Global Network. Elixir is enjoying the phenomenal success around the world as its operations in different countries are stories of tremendous success which we are really proud of. In Malaysia, Elixir Group of companies are dealing with manufacturer of mineral water, drinking water, manufacturer of preform and plastic bottles, juices and wheat flour, and in retailing, GM 24/7 Speedmark is an unparalleled success. UAE. Elixir Group of companies in UAE are involved in FMCG business for manufacture of mineral water, manufacture of drinking water, juices, import and export of crude oil, logistics and manufacturing of tissues. China. Elixir Group is also operating in China from last few years and doing high-profile business of energy savers, lights and electronics. Ethiopia. Elixir Group of companies are very successfully involved in agriculture business sector in Ethiopia. Elixir Agro PLC company owns 100,000 hectares land in Gambela, State of Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, which produces amazing production of maize, cotton, sugarcane and rice. The company is running high-tech ginning and spinning plant in Ethiopia, which is still under construction. Thailand. Elixir Group of companies are involved in cold storage as well as import and export businesses for the storage of ginger in Thailand. Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, a venture of Elixir Group is involved in production and import and export of world's best quality tea. Elixir Group holding projects in Pakistan. Now in Pakistan, FMCG business by introducing Elixir Group under the brand name of Prime, Rocco and Elixir. Our products and services. Our products are based on innovative technology, continuous improvement and added value for our customers and end users. Elixir of Life Mineral Water, Elixir Drinking Water, Elixir of Life Prune Collagen, Elixir of Life Aloe Vera Drinks, Elixir Lights, Elixir Rice, Elixir White Flow, Elixir Maize, Elixir Juices, Elixir Tea, Elixir Coffee Whiteners, Elixir Tissues, Elixir Motorcycle. Prime Milk, Prime Milk Powder, Prime Yogurt, Prime Tea, Prime Coffee Whitener, Prime Butter, Prime Cheese, Prime Skims Liquid, Prime Skims Powder, Rocco Pista Ice Cream, Rocco Strawberry Ice Cream, Rocco Mixed Fruits Ice Cream, Rocco Mango Ice Cream. Upcoming projects. Elixir has a plan to launch some new projects in real estate business and in this regard soon we are launching Sukoon City. Elixir Group has purchased a land of 2,500 acres in Lahore, Islamabad and Rawalpindi for this project. The other high-profile project of Elixir Group is a launching of international standard but economical airline service from Middle East to Pakistan. Elixir Air will offer the highest safety standards and the most comfortable in-flight experience to our passengers, domestic as well as international, at the end of this year. Inshallah. Elixir Group, revitalize yourself. Thank you for your time. For more information, please visit us at www.elixirgroup.co or send us email at info@elixirgroup.co.